Alright, let's see if this other box has it. Oh, yeah, let's see, we crashed in September 13th or 14th, and now we're up to December 19, 18, 20, somewhere in that area. So, anyways, 3.5, 4 months, going on 4 months, 3 months, something. Not enough months. Worked my knife better than last time. My broken wrists are still hurting like crazy, but anyway. What doesn't hurt? 14 broken bones. Alright. Let's see what we got in here. This is not what I want to be looking at. This is going to be Harley cars. Let's see, it's too much. I don't have this. Well, I can do it, but I don't want to do it. It hurts too much to do it that way. We're going to go ahead and do it the easy way. Let gravity help us. It works a lot easier. Self-unloading, see? Yeah, you're looking at me more in the boxes. Okay, I think I know what's in here. Where's my damn key at? I keep losing my key. I know my key, my knife. Favorite thing to buy. Must be because I buy a lot of them. More panheads. That is definitely a used head. Let's see here. Appears that's number 5. What is number 5? Number 5 is broken. And they scavenged some things off here. They cut those off. So it's 56 casting, so it's a late one. 5 fin head. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Well, it's only 3 now. They cut off 2. Exhaust spigot was there until they broke it off. The head itself looks pretty good on the inside. Very, very small hairline crack there. Pretty good shape. Intake nipple still on it. These fins are still on it. It's a pretty good head except for the other side where they butchered the piss out of it. And this side here looks good. All the holes look good all the way around. Stud holes are all good. All this stuff looks good except for right here. There's appears to be a problem with 4 fins. And they ground a little bit off of that too. A little welding to do. But, here's the head. 60, 61. What is that? A 4 or 1? 61, I think. Yeah. This side looks nice. Covered by the push rods though, so oh well. Oh, good head to work from. It's a front head. Pull that up to the pile. I got a pile I've been collecting. Alright. Let's go see what the other one looks like. Okay. Get the next one. You know they're going to be a set, right? Yeah, right. Gravity help. That hurt. Wrapping cardboard. Protect the bends. Lots of good padding helps too. They got it all. Cardboard, foam. Good packages. Box full of cardboard. Yeah, more broken pins. It is a match pair. They're broken. This has the normal brakes in it. Yeah. Alright. Another front head. Another light one, but this is one where they break the fins off to get room for the distributor. Yeah, it looks so nice when you do that. This has a nice exhaust spigot. It's not even warm. Damn, that is nice. It's a stock spigot. Look at that. No wear marks on it. This must be a low mileage head. There's no cracks in there that I can see. The seats are nice and high. They look original. Yeah, I bet you think I got too many miles on it. The intake nipple's good too. Betcha. Except for the broken pins, this is really a nice head. We'll use this one. I can't make out that one. Got the old spit test, see if that helps. 60, 10. 10 to 60, I think. This is number 8 head. Ooh. Yeah, I got a little carried away over here. They broke all 5 there, plus 2 on top. 7 pins. I didn't waste any time on this side. It's easy accidents do this. It's a front head, so the mouse trap fits in here, but you know, there's a lot of stuff will break things off when you hit them on the side. Fender will hit it off the car. See, same head. This one was a 61 head, we think. This is a 61 head, but it was cast in October of 60, which makes it a 61 bike. So, see, these are broken off from accident. These are cut off. These are broken off here. Those are cut off. And these look like they broke these off on purpose to use them for repairing something else. So this was probably a good head when it started. This one here is a crashed head. If you can see what happens over here, let me break them off over here. See, that's stock. This is not stock. That's what happens. Both these heads have nice high seats in them. Except for all the fin damage, they're pretty good condition actually. So, good candidates for a race bike. Because they're all broken up. Only what it doesn't matter, the fins. Everything else is really good, which does matter. Alright, here you go, we'll put our front. Maybe we'll put 2 front heads on one bike. How would that be? That'd be different. Alright, well, there you go. More good heads. And we got a whole pile over there, more of them, so we've been collecting them. Alright, that's it for those.